Hey guys, we got bar oil here, we got fuel for the chainsaws, we got lower line, we got the climb line, lower line, and climbing gear, and 2 chainsaws, and we're gonna climb some trees and do some brush work, and we're taking out 1 tree today, and yeah.
Like I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, your butthole pucker a little bit.
Oh yeah, you went right up. You don't need coffee when you fucking think that you're falling out of a tree. Your adrenaline just woo. But if I didn't have the day I do this and I'd lose my fear of it, the day I need to quit.
Yeah.
But everybody who climbs, they got fear. It's called courage at the college. Everybody's got their limit, and they're like, okay, this is sketchy, but if you have the courage to power through and keep going. Everybody has their height limit.
Yeah.
My trick is, I work what's in front of my face. I mean, if I have to look down, I just pretend like I'm always on the ground, no matter where I'm at. I'm just working here and up. And if I look down, it don't really bother me too bad.
No, after some of the roller coaster rides I've been on, bro, heights are all right.
looked like a little bit of fun.
Oh, it's fun, dude.
Fucking just,
Sucks when you miss.
that's your original Tarzan right there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you see that big, huge, long one? It's just gonna fall, and we're gonna host it down and like bring it down, and it won't just fall down.
So hold it tight. Now listen. Watch your footing. You're gonna let it run. Then let it run. Don't try to fight it. Then you have to slowly hit the ground and start to squeeze off on it. Let it go. Let it run. Okay, now.
You just want to walk it this way this time?
Yeah, that's what I would do. Pick up the back end. He'll hold the top end. You pick up the back end and move it. You know, get in the middle of it, Joe. There you go.
Now walk you right my way.
That's how you're doing it. Perfect. Good job, Joe.
Proud of you.
Be over there. I'm going to do my spade. Once I start doing my back cut,
Yeah, start
you
pulling
guys
on
just
it.
pull, but don't yank it. Don't tug it.
Just give it
We'll
a,
send
just
it
give
back.
A snug
You
pull.
just hold it forward. Keep looking at the top. You'll start seeing the top move. You'll feel it. And you guys are going to stare at the top. Don't stare at what I'm doing. Stare at the top of the tree. And it'll start to lean. You guys just keep pulling. Pull, even until it hits the ground. You're just going to keep pulling line. Pull it tight. Like that. Pull that thing.
I didn't even know you already did your first. No.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. Pull that thing. Fine. I didn't die.
I just got done off the tree we took down. I got sawdust on me. I'm bleeding a little bit, dry blood, you know, won't hurt anyone, little scratches, but I enjoyed doing it. It was so fun. Thank you, Joe Walker. It was so fun. It was a blast. I enjoyed every minute of it. There was no dull moment. Everything was going down smoothly. Like, no one got hurt. It was awesome. A little scratch and a little bruise, but it won't hurt anyone. I'm still alive. I saw an eagle today when we were cutting down the tree. It was absolutely beautiful. I smell like sawdust and it smells good. And ball oil too, and a little gas. I enjoyed it. It was, like I said, it was incredible. I would recommend doing it again because it was so fun. I enjoyed doing that kind of stuff because it boosts my energy, and it's like stuff that I can actually do, and it's like an active thing that I enjoy.